Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth are active. Next, charge the Airpods case and plug it into power. Place both Airpods inside and close the lid. Once done, keep the iPhone near the closed, powered case so the devices maintain a connection. This proximity and power let Apple's servers push firmware. You're setting the conditions for the update to begin automatically. You now check and, if needed, trigger the update. Go to Settings, General About, then select your AirPods to view the firmware number. If it hasn't changed, forget the device in Bluetooth, perform a reset using the case button, and then pair again. Once paired, put the AirPods in the charged case, plug the case into power, and leave the iPhone next to it for 15 to 30 minutes. This is when the firmware transfer typically occurs. You finish by verifying the firmware version in Settings General About AirPods. Confirm the number increased. If the update didn't apply, make sure the iPhone itself is updated. Try a different USB charger or cable, and repeat the reset and pair routine. One key troubleshooting tip: leave the case plugged in with the lid closed and the iPhone unlocked near it for at least 30 minutes. Many updates install only when those exact conditions are met. If problems persist, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.